B.
And your girl Bribrii.
And your girl Bailey.
Mason.
Chat PP. Maddie.
And Devin being a teenager. Corvette. Anyways, you guys, we are currently in Galveston, Texas. We are at the beach. Y'all see the palm trees in the back.
Y'all see the vibes.
So y'all already know what it is. Y'all already catch the vibes. We're about to head to the beach, and it would only be right for us to bring you guys along with us. Period. So, you guys, if you've never been to Galveston, it's what, like an hour away from Houston, yeah. It's where the beach is. It's nice, some parts, but like, I just kind of feel like, unless you got a beach house, the shit around here is kind of raggedy. But the pier is nice, so
it's kind of like the ghetto.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Ghetto, at least that house got new windows. So we about to.
Somebody broke in them last week.
Weird. We about to head up to the beach, y'all, and we're gonna be back when we get to the beach so y'all can get in the water with us.
Okay.
Peace.
Bless it. Bye.
Bye. So Kenzie Squad, we have officially arrived to the beach, as you guys can see, and it's such a beautiful day to be here. Even though the sun is not out, the bun is out. No, I'm just kidding. But even though the sun is not out, it's just a beautiful ass day though. Like, it's not too hot, it's not cold, it's just perfect. So here we are. We're about to find a place to get stationed at, and then we'll be right back.
Look at Mason.
Mason! Where you going?
Something to play with, Maddox. Gave him a stick. Oh, that'll work. He made it fall apart. We're not going there. Duh.
Where are we going then?
Dang, Dad, you made the ground sink in. How you do that? Look at Maddie. About to lose his life.
You're the top!
Brianna, why'd you bring sand to the beach? Huh?
I don't know, I'm sorry.
No, I'll ask you what you go.
Dad, you want to run in the water?
I think one of them might fall off.
It might be, this wind dangerous.
You call him. Who titties?
Grandma, you send me the voicemail, really? Yeah.
over there with Alvin.
I want to go out far. I'm going to try to follow you before I
You gonna go out far? Alright, well, like still noise. Oh, my feet sinking in. Look at my feet.
Let me sell my stove pictures to OnlyFans in this type of water. Not
Come on, let's show our feet on OnlyFans. I know your feet still. I've been seeing your feet for years. What? Mason, like, what the heck?
Bailey, go give me that red double over there. Over there.
This is so beautiful, though. I don't go that deep. No, I'm not taking the backpack off. The glizzy in there. Building. Sandcastle. It look like a sand hill. Max, you helping?
Yeah.
Don't look like it. Do some work. Dig in there.
I'm trying to collect some seashells.
Seashells down by the seashore. Say that real fast.
seashell down by the seashore.
Head ass. Look at Mason. Mason ain't scared of nothing.
No.
Oh my God, y'all Mason drowning. Oh! He knew when to get up though. He knew when to get up though. He knew exactly when to get up.
Stop, Will. This water's too cold, bro.
No, Mason. It's salty, ain't it? He's trying to drink the water.
Splash then, Mason, splash. Splash something. Everybody hit the seashells. I've been holding this for I don't know how long. Put the seashells in there. Down by the seashore. Alright, so vlog, this is what we've been working on. Me and Maddox for the past like 30 minutes. Some of his body is still showing because when I did it the first time, he moved. Maddox, how you feeling? Smile for the vlog. Maddox probably ready to get out. I told him to stand still. It was tough. Oh, there goes Devin and Bailey right there. I see him. Devin going underwater. Devin gonna drown. RP Devin. Alright, Kenzie Squad. That's about a wrap to this God damn you cold this motherfucker. Hecky nah.
I won't touch you.
Oh, hecky nah.
I'm in the ocean, y'all. I'm salty as hell.
Nah, you ain't salty, you just cold. So yeah, that's about the end of this vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna get the ocean views. Views from the beach. Get your cold ass off of me.
Am I really cold?
Yes.
Okay.
I got a 6-pack. Look at that. This but what I saying? Merch coming soon. Be sure to copy that merch when it come out.
When we hit to 1K subscribers, we're gonna be releasing some merch. We're gonna have a new intro for y'all. We got a lot of shit lined up. We gotta work on our channel, so we need supporters. We need y'all to be subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, all that extra stuff.
going up all 2021. Yes, look. Yeah, that's the end of this vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Probably a song I was supposed to tell y'all, but I can't think of it right now, so we gone.